The sweeping overhaul of New Jersey's criminal justice system that took effect last year has survived another legal challenge after a federal appeals court ruled it did not violate the Constitution. The opinion, handed down Monday, upholds the Garden State's move away from cash bail, though its opponents said they were considering taking the matter to the U.S. Supreme Court. The case that sparked the year-long legal fight involved a bar fight over the Philadelphia Eagles. A Camden County man, Britton Holland, was arrested in April 2017 on aggravated assault charges stemming from a brawl between football fans at a local tavern. Holland is a Cowboys fan, according to the police records. A year earlier, Holland would have likely posted bail to await trial. But in January 2017, New Jersey nearly eliminated cash bail, moving instead to a setup where judges, guided by a risk assessment algorithm, can order defendants locked up or subjected to varying degrees of monitoring based on their risk of flight or danger to the community. Bail reform is running out of money. Holland was released pre-trial, but was ordered to wear a GPS monitoring bracelet and check in regularly with the court. His case was taken up by the bail bonds industry, which helped him file a class-action suit claiming the ankle bracelet was a «scarlet letter» that violated his rights before he had his day in court. In a 52-page decision unreleased Monday, a two-judge panel in the Third Circuit of the U.S. Court of Appeals wrote that the fundamental issue in the case was whether cash bail was a fundamental right enshrined in the Constitution. Our answer is no, the judges found, later writing that the move from cash bail to the new system was rationally related to the state's interest in assuring defendants appear at trial, the safety of the community and other persons, and the integrity of the criminal justice process. The ruling swats away one of several challenges to the new system, which has been held up as a national model because it is meant to keep fewer low-level offenders locked up simply because they cannot afford bail. It has also faced sharp criticism over the release of defendants charged with gun offenses and domestic abuse, among other charges, who were accused of similar crimes while awaiting trial. The state also faces a looming funding crisis for its new pretrial monitoring system. The decision was hailed by civil liberties advocates who supported New Jersey's bail overhaul, which was pushed by former Republican Gov. Chris Christie and supported by Democratic leaders in the state legislature. Jeff Clayton, the executive director of the American Bail Coalition, said the case was far from over, adding that they plaintiffs would decide whether to bring the matter back to the trial court or ask the Supreme Court to take a look. Alexander Shalom, a senior attorney at the New Jersey chapter of the American Civil Liberties Union, said the decision reaffirmed the core purpose of the overhaul. There is no reason, legal or otherwise, why the thickness of anyone's wallet should dictate their liberty and freedom, Shalom said. SP Sullivan may be reached at sullivan@newadvancemedia.com. Follow him on Twitter. Find NJ.com on Facebook.